This workshop is organised by HDC to inform growers about the biopesticide technology, which is a new technology coming forward for use within crop protection.
My presentation is about how Dutch growers are using biopesticides in edible protected crops, and I think that my main message is to convince the British growers that it's doable and it's a good idea to look into it.
Well, I hope the Deceptive Project's been quite a large sort of 4 or 5 year project, and I think the growers need to have an overview of that, so now that the project's ended they know what they can expect to come in the next few years in terms of new products potentially coming to market. So I hope certainly in terms of the work that's done at STC they've got more of an idea of what it entailed and what went on.
The way I see the agricultural market developing in the future is that it's steering much more towards an integration of the seed, which leads obviously to the crop, and how that is integrated with biological control methods, conventional control methods and other methods, all in one package. To do that you need a lot more information, so the sort of digital farming of the future, where a lot more sensors are involved, that sort of data and information will lend itself towards understanding why and how we should be using biopesticides.
I hope from today the growers will learn what biopesticide technology is and how to use it wisely and get the best out of it.
I think that we need to learn how to use them, because they may be our only option in the future as more and more synthetic chemicals disappear.
Well, I hope today the growers will take away some enthusiasm to learn and experiment and try out these products with a realistic view of what they can do for them.
Biopesticides are going to be important to the future of crop protection because we've lost a lot of actives through changes in EU regulation, and there's problems with resistance to existing substances. So we'll see more and more biopesticides coming onto the markets, and growers, particularly in edibles, need to know how to use these well.
I hope that the growers will be encouraged to go away from this event better educated and feel more confident about using biopesticides in the future.
I think in light of current legislation and legislation that's likely to come through in the future, I think biopesticides are set to play a major role in the future of crop production, both through, not just within the edible sector, but within various other sectors as well. And I think particularly learning how to develop and use those products effectively, doing that now is extremely important, hence the value of workshops and meetings like this one.